Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. I have a favor to ask of you, and it's a big one for us. So about 78% of the people watching this video right now, or any of our videos, are not subscribed. If you guys could hit the subscribe button, that would really help us. It is free, it costs you nothing, there's no subscription kind of deal. You know, you don't have to pay a monthly fee, none of that, it's free. But it does help us quite a bit as far as growing the channel and moving these cars down the line and so on. So if you could do that for us, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we post new videos, which is all the time. And yeah, that's what I need from you if you can do it. I'd really appreciate it. Appreciate you guys. Have a good one, and stay tuned. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Here we are again. Happy Friday. We are rolling over here. So Big Ron's already been working, which is good. Waiting on me to get here. What we're doing is wet sanding the body. Ron's working on doing that with 600 grit sandpaper. He's wet sanding, and that'll be the final sand before sealer coat, paint, all that. So trying to get the doors, the trunk lid, and the shell of the body done hopefully today, where they're ready for paint. That way we can go ahead and tape them off and undercoat tomorrow or the next day. The wheel wells and all the things that we need, all the parts inside of the fenders and all that. So hopefully by the end of the weekend that's done. I'm not rushing that, and I'm not going to sit here and tell you it'll be done by this exact day, because it'll happen when it happens, but we're close. We have the bed liner, we have all the materials here. Everything is prepped and ready for it other than taping and plasticing off. So the hard part's done for the most part. So on the undercoating side. Now I'm going to be working on this rack you see behind me here. The grill, the headlight rings, all the things. I'm going to be sanding those with 400 and then 600 in preparation for paint, and getting those ready. And that's a very meticulous, just sit here, every little louver, you know, there's a lot. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. If I get through that, then I'll jump on the hood, which is right there, the back side of the hood, and that kind of thing. So that's where we're at. That's what we got going on here. If you're watching this, really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. There's 78% of you guys out there that are watching this that watch it all the time and don't hit subscribe. We'd love to have you. Trying to grow the channel. The bigger we get the channel, the easier it gets to do these projects and so on, both financially and, you know, it's nice to see that we got people watching, right? So if you guys could do that for us, we greatly appreciate it. Also, please like, comment, hit the notification bell. If you hit the notification bell, every time I post a short, a video, anything like that, you guys will get notified of it. And I post a lot. I just posted one a second ago. But over the next couple weeks, well actually next couple months, you're going to get a lot of live streams, video, probably daily videos for the most part, lots of shorts, and just a whole lot of things that are going to be happening, from the entire paint job of this car to the 410 Sure Grip Posi going in the Chrysler 300, steering box, wiring the 300, body work on the Apache. There's just a lot of things that are going to happen here in short order. So stay tuned for all that. But I'm going to stop talking and start working, and we'll get into probably a time-lapse kind of thing for you guys, showing Ron sanding over here, me sanding on the parts, and then we'll kind of get into some more stuff here in a little bit. So stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. Be right back.
Hey guys, welcome back. So we've been hard at work over here, wet sanding. Big Ron's sanding at the moment on that piece of the grill. I got it close, he's just fine-tuning a little bit. This will be one of the next things. But, good news. The body is ready for paint. So that's great news. So now we can clean it up. It's got all the shit all over it. And clean it up, and then we can get to getting on the undercoating. So that'll be the next thing over the next couple days. Keep going on parts. I've been working on parts. Headlight rings are done. They're ready for paint. This one. These two pieces that go in between the grill, they're done. The chin is done, ready for paint. That side of the grill that Ron's working on right now is just about ready for paint. So we're getting there. Next thing I'll do is this one here in a minute, and then we'll be down to this. So baby steps with some gigantic leaps, right? So we're finally getting past the massive amount of sanding that had to be done. And because you got to do it umpteen times, right? You do 320 and then 400 and then 600, and you just step and step and step and step. But I think we're in a good place. Body's ready. So all we got left now is take the doors and the trunk lid off, undercoat the wheel wells, paint the bitch. That's where we're at. So that's exciting. That's huge. And all of this, these are the parts that suck, that we just didn't want to deal with, but we're doing it. So getting in on all these little deals on the grill and everything is just a pain, but we're doing it and getting her done. So anyways guys, I just want to show you that we're hard at work over here. Been live on TikTok and on YouTube, so if you guys want to go back and check that out, you can watch me sanded my life away on all this. And I would be filming it here for YouTube, but I've only got one tripod, so I'm using that for the phone to go live, so I apologize, but that's what I've got. But look where we're at. We're looking good. These pieces inside here are all ready for undercoating. I don't know if you can see them, those there. All that's ready to go. I mean, we're starting to look like something. So this will be coming up here soon. And this, front fenders, and finishing up the grill. That's where we're at. And then undercoat and then paint. So really getting close, guys. Stay tuned. We're not done yet. We'll see you guys in a second. But as of right now, the body is ready for paint. See you guys in a minute. Alright guys, we're gonna wrap this one up here. So where we're at is Big Ron's got a lot of the inside of the hood sanded, dry sanded. We're looking really good with 320. Then he'll cruise it with 600, 400, and then 600. Yep. And then we'll go from there. I did manage to get this other side of the grill, so both sides of the grill are done and ready to go. The headlight buckets, or not buckets, but the rings are ready for paint. The strips and the chin that goes under here. So the only piece of the front grill left is this. So I'll be doing this tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll be finishing up the grill, the hood, and starting to prep the body probably for undercoating on Sunday. Sunday we'd like to undercoat Sunday afternoon. We'll be undercoating right here on both sides, and then the wheel wells, and then the inside of the front fenders and inner fenders, and these parts right there, that whole stack. So that whole stack of parts will be hanging on this rack and on various tables and so on, and we'll get all that done. So anywho's, sorry I didn't get you a ton of footage of us working today. There are plenty of videos out there, lives from today, from us working. I was live almost all day long, both on YouTube twice and then on TikTok, and I've posted some shorts and stuff, but it's just a lot of sanding. So nothing sexy, but still wanted to include you guys in it. You've been along for the ride this long. I figured you might want to see where we're at. So here's everybody's favorite 58 Chevy Apache Tow-Mater, waiting her turn, and we will be back on this sooner than later, don't you worry. So actually the biggest thing in the world to get the Apache done is to get the 44 done and painted. That's huge. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. We're gonna call it. I gotta take my wife to work, and we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. We'll do it again. Have a good night, guys.